YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Strap TG back at it again, guys. So on my last video, guys, I'm gonna put the e-card right here in the corner so you guys can go check it out. My truck is down, so the update on that, my def pump is what went out on the truck. All right, so the def pump went out and that wasn't allowing the truck to move over 5 miles an hour, so we had to get towed, and it was down for a few days. They didn't have the part on hand right away, so it took them a while to get that done. That in total came to $1,500, right? So got that finished, left out, went to Nebraska, got a load. On my way to Virginia with the load, got into West Virginia and Charleston, stopped doing a pre-trip. My drive axle on the front passenger side wheel seal went out, and that was down for another day. Fortunately, where I was stopped, there was a mechanic spot not too far, so they came, saw what's going on, and we got everything done the following day. So it was shut down for a full 24 hours. They got it done. Everything came to, I think with parts was $880, and then with the labor everything came to $1,600. all right, thinking that that's it. No, it's not. We got more. On my way to Virginia, got into Virginia, got into Ralph Pine, about to pass the Petro, my coolant light comes on. So I said, all right, you know what, I'm gonna be passing the truck, so let me stop and see what's going on. So they checked it out. My radiator was leaking coolant. It was leaking coolant really bad. Like, I dumped 2 bottles in it and it was just leaking. So when they checked it out, they said the radiator was coming apart from the seam, so I had to get a brand new radiator. So got that ordered. They got it in. Took them like, it was like being here for 2 days. They got it done. Everything is good. All of that came to just under $4,000, you could say, and we got everything done. So brand new radiator, seal is changed, brand new pump, def pump, and it has just been one crazy week. So I'm like, yes, everything is good. The truck is running and been back on the road just running. I had to change my windshield. Changed the windshield, they didn't seal it up properly. Water came in, dripped on my the Detroit assurance system. That's for your lane departure. That needs to get replaced right now because the water leaked in on that. My dash cam is messed up, and it has just been one crazy 2 weeks, guys. One of my GoPro went missing. One is not working, so I'm down to 1 GoPro right now, and it's just been a crazy few weeks, guys. But everything's good. We back and running. Everything is up right now. Going to be off the road for 3 weeks. I've been running for the past 4 months, guys. I've been on the road for the past 4 months. So I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna take 3 weeks. I'm gonna be home for 2. I'm actually gonna be going to Jamaica. Gonna be going home, so I'm gonna have some footage of that for you guys. And then we're just gonna be back at it again and running. But we back at it. We running. Everything's good right now, and just taking it easy, guys. Trucking is great, and for every driver out here, lease up, owner ups, when it comes time for your truck to be repaired, it can get costly, guys. And I'm actually gonna do another video on the warranty for your truck, because we got something on that right there. But it's costly when it comes time to get repaired. So you guys always gonna stay on top of your truck. Always make sure you guys are doing your pre-trip. That is so important, guys. Do not skim out on your pre-trip. That was one of the most important things you need to stay on top of. All right, guys, not gonna make this video too long, but guys, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being a part of my journey. Just want to say thank you all for the support, no matter what negative comments. And thank you to a lot of people in the comments who has been commenting a lot of videos and telling me stuff, because there's a lot of stuff I didn't even know myself. thanks to you guys. I don't care how negative or positive your comment is. Thank you for taking the time out just to comment, right? If any of you guys out there can help me to grow as a driver just the same, I appreciate it. I have not been driving for long. I've been driving for 6 years now, so I'm still a rookie out here, guys. But we doing it. We out here. We loving it, all right? So thanks for joining. Subscribe and do like and comment on the videos, guys. I do appreciate it.